Tropical cyclones, the most tremendous storms of nature. Cyclones are spirals of wind that can go up to speeds of 119 to 325 kilometers per hour, destroying buildings and claiming many lives.
I'm a cyclone!
They occur in areas surrounding the Indian Ocean, such as the east of Africa, northern parts of Australia, and the coastal edges of India and Bangladesh. Cyclones have a spiral-like formation, and the center, the calmest part of the cyclone, is called the eye of the storm. Around the eye is the eye wall, which is the strongest region of a cyclone. Cyclones are measured by the wind speeds and are distinguished into categories 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, category 5 being the strongest. Tropical cyclone damages can cost up to $26 billion globally to repair. How do cyclones form? Cyclones are formed over sea with a warm ocean surface of at least 26 degrees Celsius, cool air, and clusters of storms. The warm air above the ocean surface rises up, condensing with the cool air. The clusters of condensed clouds can create rain and begin to rotate with fast wind speeds. The rotations of cyclones are powered by the Earth's spin. As the cyclones rotate, they can move towards land, and that is when cyclones cause destruction to civilians, animals, and infrastructures. As cyclones move further inland, they weaken and lose their wind speeds as they consume more dry air rather than damp air. The most detrimental cyclone. The Great Bowler Cyclone was formed in the Bay of Bengal, which then shifted over to the Bowler Island in East Pakistan, or what is now known as Bangladesh. It was caused on November the 12th in 1970. It occurred during the night and hit the part of the country where it was poor, and so the people that witnessed it were unprepared and could not do anything to save themselves. The winds reached to about 185 kilometers per hour, which is quite fast, and is classified a Category 3 cyclone. As a result of these winds, many other countries helped these victims by donating money. There were 300,000 to 500,000 casualties because of this ferocious cyclone. Approximately 85 of homes were destroyed or damaged after the storm, and the country lost about 45% of its own population. This is the worst tropical cyclone in the world. Countermeasures for cyclones. Despite the destruction caused by cyclones, there are some countermeasures for them. As technology improves, we become better at predicting the weather and ultimately predicting cyclones. It is also important that people carry necessary items such as a flashlight, a small radio, a water bottle, food, and a first aid kit. Following early warnings for evacuation is certainly an important aspect of surviving a cyclone. However, when evacuation is not possible, then civilians are expected to stay in any sort of safe shelter. Thanks for watching, and hopefully all of this blew you away.